In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Udemy course last updated date on desktop. Keeping track of when a course was last updated is a simple way to judge whether the content is still relevant. Maybe you're learning a fast-moving technology, or you just want to make sure you're getting the most current information before you enroll. Let's walk through how to find that date clearly and quickly on a desktop. First, open your browser and go to udemy.com. Any modern browser will do. Give the page a moment to load fully so all the course details will display correctly later. Next, find the course you're interested in. You can use the search bar at the top or browse through categories if you're exploring. As you scan the results, don't worry about the details just yet. We'll open the specific course page to see everything we need. Now, click the course title to open the course landing page. This page is where Udemy gathers all the important information: the instructor's overview, ratings, what you'll learn, and the status of the course content. Let the page load completely so nothing is missing. Look near the top of the course description area for a line that says something like, "Last updated month-year." On most layouts, you'll find this just below the main course title and rating, often close to details like the language and subtitle information. Sometimes it appears right above the What You'll Learn section. If the header area looks crowded, take a slow scan from the title downward. It's almost always in that upper block. That last updated line shows when Udemy's system registered significant changes to the course. In practice, that means the instructor or team has made meaningful updates, such as adding new lectures, revising sections, or refreshing materials. Tiny tweaks, like fixing a typo or updating a single sentence, may not trigger that date to change. So, think of this timestamp as a signal of substantial maintenance rather than every minor edit. A quick note to help you interpret what you're seeing: last updated is different from the course's original publish date. A course can be several years old yet still be actively maintained, and that last updated line is the best indicator of ongoing attention. If you're deciding whether to enroll, a recent update can suggest the instructor is engaged and keeping pace with changes in the field. And that's it. Open Udemy, find your course, click the course title, and look for Last Updated Month-Year near the top of the course page. With this simple check, you'll have a clearer picture of how current the material is before you dive in.